The KSM 313 and 353 ribbon microphones belong to the family of dynamic microphones, even though they have an electrically conducted diaphragm which moves directly in the magnetic field. As this design does not need a voice coil, it is more lightweight and allows for the diaphragm to move faster. This is what gives ribbon mics an extended frequency response, clear highs, a smooth top end, and a very warm and full sound. Ribbon microphones are traditionally very fragile. A loud sound source alone could be enough to damage the mic. That's not the case with Roswellite technology, which is solely used in Shure ribbon microphones. This diaphragm design is far more robust and durable, even allowing for the ability to withstand drops to the ground, something that was previously unheard of in ribbon microphones. Ribbon mics typically have a bidirectional polar pattern, meaning they pick up sound evenly from the front and the back of the microphone, but not from the side. The Shure KSM 353 ribbon microphone is designed for vocals, but due to extremely flat frequency response, it can also be used for a multitude of instruments, such as guitar. What makes the Shure KSM 313 unique is that it sounds different from the front and the back. One side is tailored for vocals, with the high end very natural and crispy. On the other side, the high end is rolled off, making it ideal for electric guitars.